we gather here today, we mark the end of a meaningful month, a month filled with challenges, discoveries, teamwork, and most of all, learning. To innovate is to find new ways to solve real-world problems. To integrate is to connect what we learn to how we live in technology, health, the environment, and more. And to illuminate is to share the knowledge, to spark inspiration, and to light the path forward, and not just for ourselves, but for others too.